Have you ever wondered how some traders flip just $1,000 into $40,000 literally in just one day? Well, let me show you some real proof, and it's all backed by blockchain receipts. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes only. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As mentioned, we got what is known as Defco FX. You guys, this is a massive platform with many opportunities. You guys can even see right here, tight raw spreads from 0.3. We got fee-free funding option, $0. Max leverage, 1 to 2,000. Right? Then we even have 24/5 support. Okay? Now, what can you trade with DefcoFX? That's a great question. Well, we got Forex, we got cryptos, we got commodities, we got futures, we got indices, and we even have equities. All right. So I want you guys to understand, I mean, this is an awesome platform. As mentioned, there's going to be a lot of things that you can actually do here and check out. But not only that, you guys, they have an actual dashboard, especially whenever it comes to, say, deposits and withdrawal amounts. They even got blockchain confirmation. And technically, this is used as proof of, say, real withdrawals, okay? Not only that, you guys, even with the fact that Bitcoin price volatility, I mean, obviously, it kind of does affect final withdrawal totals. And ladies and gentlemen, here we have it, the platform. You guys will see right here, we have some important details. You can see all of the different Forexes. You guys can see that we do have our history. You guys can even see right here, we got, for example, we can take a look. We got the volume, we got the price, we got the type, we have the ticket, we got the symbol. And then if we just kind of continue, you guys will see right here, obviously you're going to be able to make adjustments to the overall platform, okay? But you guys will see right here, once again, we have all the important details, all right? You're going to be able to scroll through everything, and you guys can actually see the starting time, right? And over time, our account is slowly increasing. We have the price, we have the profit, we even have the change, and you guys can see that right there, okay? And if it just kind of continues, I mean, you guys can clearly see, I mean, this is the proof, right? This is the proof in the pudding that you guys need to see whenever it comes to using this platform. So as I showed you, right, we got our username, and you guys can see right here. Once again, we have all the Forexes, we have all the trades, and you guys can just kind of see exactly what we got here, right? So obviously, you guys will need to understand that this is a very important platform. So make sure you guys download this, check it out, go through everything. You guys can see right there, once again, I mean, the charts look good. Everything looks awesome. You're going to be able to just, search and tell us what you think. You guys will even see right here, we have something kind of mentioned as the Meta 5, right? Meta 5 is very important. This is a massive platform. This basically showcases live trade history. Not only that, but also order execution. There is verified $40,000 profit generated from $1,000 capital. They got real account statuses, right? Not demos. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, what I want you guys to do is go to your dashboard. You guys are going to see right here, we do have different trading accounts. Now, this is going to be very important. You guys pay attention. We got a total balance right there of around 3,000. So you guys will see right here, we got deposit my account. We have deposit histories. You guys are going to see right here that we did put in a deposit of $1,000. And if we go ahead and continue, you guys can see right here, we do have my withdrawal history. So you guys will actually see right here, we do have a withdrawal history of Bitcoin of around $38,000. All right. So if we go ahead and continue, you guys are going to see it right here. We got some more important details you're going to be able to check out here in just a few moments. We got our address, right? So obviously just kind of waiting for it to load here. We're going to be able to take a look at the address. You guys can actually see right here that yes, this is real, and yes, this is legit. Now, obviously, remember, you guys, there has been changes, especially with the volatility in Bitcoin. So the price could be a little bit different than what we are currently seeing in the dashboard. That is always something important that you need to pay attention to. All right. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. $38,000. That is good. Now, as I kind of briefly mentioned, you guys, they do have this leverage. Okay. It enables massive potential from small capital, right? The 1 to 2,000. This is ideal for experienced traders seeking exponential gains. Risk management here obviously is crucial due to leverage sensitivity, right? And I also want you guys to understand, well, trading conditions with zero friction. Now, this is important. So as I already mentioned, they do have those tight raw spreads. You can see that right here. Okay, 0.3 pips. Okay, and there's a possibility even for 0 on some accounts. Now, there is a 0 commission and no swap fees. They have enhanced transparency and cost efficiency, as we mentioned, right? I want you guys to understand, I mean, there's definitely multiple accounts here, or multiple different type of accounts, I guess I should say. Okay, so we're talking about multiple account types, such as they got silver and gold, which is very important. Okay, you can see that right here, silver and gold. Okay, obviously this is based on trader preference. They got extra features, right? VPs, level 2 pricing, algorithmic, and we even have crypto trading. Okay, they even have ongoing promotions or incentives. And they even got or community or support presence. Okay, so there's always people going to be here for you no matter what. Okay, so you guys will see additional things that we can kind of mention here is that they do have an academy. Okay, we got courses, we got market analysis, we got customer support, and you guys can definitely join and check it out today. Okay, so I want you guys to understand, pretty cool, pretty awesome. Right, we got payment methods, obviously crypto. We got Tether USD coin, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana. Right, we got a whole bunch of stuff that's actually happening here. So if you guys would like to, we got client portal. Then we even have start trading. You can actually open a live account, okay, at the very top, or a demo account. So you can choose whatever you like, and you guys can kind of see right here. You can go through this little verification process if you have one. You can do individual or corporate. You put in your name, your email, password, address, date of birth, phone, and pretty much that's it. Or you can even sign up for this newsletter. Okay, so same thing here. We got the client portal, so you guys can dive down into that if you'd like to, if you're a client. So right here, we got quick start. You can see right here all the information. Okay, trading account overview, right? Range of products, all that stuff. We can go up here. And you guys can see right here, account overview. You can just kind of click, and you guys can see, once again, we have that silver, okay? And we have the gold, okay? So apply, get verified, start trading. It's literally that simple, you guys. And we have the platform, right? So you guys can see right here, account overview. Once again, as we just took a look, trading advantage, spreads, promotions, trading hours, requirements, okay? So definitely a place that you want to be. They got buy VPs, Forex tools, heat maps, analysis, right? And a lot more. Okay. So I'm going to highly recommend you guys check this out and let me know exactly what you think. If you guys would like, you could dive down into their Twitter. Make sure that you follow them. All right. Show some appreciation, show that you love the project. And also make sure you guys dive down into the Instagram, right? There's other socials as well. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you guys will, please let me know, what did you guys think about this platform? What do you guys think? Me personally, I like it. If you smash up that like button and subscribe button, make sure you guys check out the links down below, and also make sure you guys leave some comments. That is what I like. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one.